on-the-go player na makakasama natin ngayong araw. Alamin natin yan. Let's play Knowledge on the Go! At ang ating on-the-go player ay si
Merielle.
Merielle. What is your favorite subject?
Math.
Sana math ang makuha natin. Roll the dice. Math! Oh, tama-tama. Math ang iyong nakuha. Pero bago tayo magsimula at bumunot ng question, kumuha ka muna ng iyong marker and whiteboard sa aking backpack. Okay. Right? Bumunot ka na ng iyong question. Give it me. Okay. Merielle, go na bang mag-knowledge on the go?
Go na go!
Go na si Merielle, and this is my question. What is the next number in this sequence? 3, 8, 13, 18, blank. Letter A, 23, B, 12, C, 25, or letter D, 33.
A, 23.
Letter A, 23. And the correct answer is letter A, 23. Alam mo ba, Merielle? The difference between each number in the sequence is 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 13 plus 5 equals 18. So 18 plus 5 gives the next number, which is 23. At dahil nakuha mo ang tamang sagot, you have a prize from us, Knowledge on the Go. Congratulations! Kaya samahan niyo ulit kami sa susunod. Dito lang sa Knowledge on the Go! Basta bagong kaalaman, dito malalaman yan. For more Knowledge on the Go videos, subscribe to Knowledge Channel.